Hi guys, it's Jazzy Rose. Welcome to my channel. Today I am doing a new review on the new Hello Happy foundation from Benefit Cosmetics. Guys, I don't even know what to say about it. It's beautiful. It's actually my new favorite foundation. It does exactly what it says it's going to do. It's called a soft blur foundation, which it gets rid of any imperfections, and I think that it does just that. I'm actually going to read exactly what it says on the box that it does. What does it say here? It feels weightless, which it does. It actually gives you like a nice natural look. It looks like you don't even have foundation on, and that's one of the things that I love about it. Sometimes when I don't really feel like wearing makeup, but I have a bit of like a breakout like I do here now, you just want to cover that up because you feel like when you're talking to someone, they're just, you know, staring at your pimples, and that's not really what I want. 98 said it feels breathable. I guess that means like it feels like you have nothing on, which I completely understand that. I don't like that heavy feeling. Most of the time, that's why I really don't wear full coverage foundation, because you feel cakey and it's like, ugh. Like you feel like you're literally suffocating. So I can understand that. And then 95% said it gives a natural looking coverage, which I just told you that it really does. It looks like you have nothing on. But soft blur foundation looks like skin and feels like nothing at all. And I can definitely agree 100% with so with this, I'm not going to go in with a primer because I want you guys to get like the full real effect. Like, it's called a soft blur foundation. So it's supposed to blur out any imperfections, your pores, fine lines, acne, anything like that. So I'm gonna, you know, show you guys like the real full effect with this. But I am going to apply a couple of drop shot mixing facial oil. This is from Urban Decay. My skin is just feeling a little bit dry, so I'm just going to put a couple of drops on before I apply this. And it's really thick. You don't need much. I always say that and end up putting a shitload on, but today we're not going to do that because I'm already breaking out, and putting pure oil on your face is not the smartest thing to do. So, alright. This is in the shade 4. What I liked about it when I first went in there was that, I don't know, a couple of Benefit foundations that I've used before, they were kind of like yellowish, and I was like, not for me. This matches my skin tone perfectly. So I'm just gonna blend that out for you, and it just blends in nicely. It looks like I have nothing on my hand, and that's what I want. So I'm just gonna, if it wants to come out. Look how, like, I'm really, I know it looks like I'm putting on a lot, but I'm really not. And I'm just going to take my Morphe M439 foundation brush and buff it out and really concentrate on the areas where I broke out, which is like, I have like, I don't know if these are like little sweat pimples, I don't know, but cover my freckles up right on the side of my nose. I hate them. It makes my face look dirty. It doesn't even look like I have freckles. Like, look how nice that is, and it blends out so nicely. It doesn't look cakey at all. And look, all that redness is gone, guys. Give it a nice stroke down your neck because you don't, well, you won't look toothpaste with this. It really, like, look how perfectly that matches my skin. It looks like I have nothing on. Nothing at all. And this is what I love about it. It feels like I have nothing on. It looks like I have nothing on. If you ask me to rate this through 1 through 10, I definitely give it a 10. Like, I have pores right here. You can't see them at all. And it just, it literally feels like there's nothing on my face. Amazing. And it covered up my acne that I had right here and right here. And you can build up on this. So if it was like a little bit heavier than that, because like I said, they're like these like little sweat pimples. What the hell? Anyway, it just, you can build up on it if you'd like to. I'm going to try putting on, I'm going to try doing my makeup for you guys. I'm going to do like a very natural look. I already did my eyebrows with the Benefit Precise, am I saying that right? The Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. This is in the shade 3. I used this on my eyebrows. And now I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty matchsticks. And this is in the color Linen. And I'm just going to blend this out with my finger. Like, I'm going to do like a really quick, natural look, guys. Let's put some concealer under my eyes. And I'm going to do, this is what I do. I'm still using the matchsticks from Fenty Beauty. And this is Trippin. This is actually a highlighter. But since it's summertime, I kind of want to get like that nice bronzy glow. So I'm going to put this actually where I would bronze. And then I'm going to take Mocha. And just wherever you would bronze, not contour, or bronzing here. Put that on the bridge of your nose. And I'm gonna take my finger and blend it out in just a circular motion. This is like if you're on the go. Because look how natural that's starting to look. I'm actually going to go back in with the highlighter as well. And just add a little bit more on my cheekbones. And the tip of my nose. And my chin. Just everywhere that you put it before, I guess. This is how we're going to do it. And give it just use your fingers. And you can very subtly just brush it onto the apples of your cheeks. Then I'm going to go in with my Kylie Cosmetics. This is the Browns palette. This is the old one. I guess she like remade the other one. I don't know. This is what I'm going in with. So I'm going to take some of the brown color. I can't even read the names to you guys, but it's going to be this brown color right here. And I'm actually going to go like that. And like fill in my eyelashes so it looks fuller. Careful not to poke yourself in the eye. What brush is this? This is actually, I'm using, this is a Sephora brush of mine. And this is just a smudge eyeshadow brush that I'm using. And it has this, you know, for you to smudge. And that's basically what we're kind of doing. And then I'm going to go in, I want to go in with this color right here, just because it's closer to my skin tone a little bit. Like I said, this is going to be a real natural look. And it's just something that you could do fast if you're like really on the go. I love looks like that. And with this, I am taking my Morphe R37 brush. And I'm just going to blend it into my crease. And then also blend it underneath your lash line. Ooh, be careful not to poke yourself in the eye. And then I'm going to go back in with that Sephora brush. And I'm going to go in with... Am I going to mix these two? Yes. I'm going to actually mix these two shades together. And I'm just going to pat it on. I just want to give you guys the full effect with this foundation. And then go back in with that brush that you just blended into your crease and just give it a nice blend. You don't need to add any more product onto it. And then, actually this is a crown brush. There's no number to it. I'm gonna go in with this matte color right here. And I'm just gonna put it on my brow bone. Just give it a nice blend. And then with that same brush, I'm gonna go back in with this shimmery color right here. And I'm gonna put that in the inner corner of my eyes. And now I'm going to do a light mascara. I'm going to try to go easy with this because I do have very long eyelashes. You can add natural false lashes if you'd like, but I'm not doing that today. I'm going to actually go in with my Ardell Wispies Fiber Building Mascara. And I'm just going to... like, I'm literally like just brushing this like this because I do have long eyelashes. And I am gonna kind of do like a little bit of a bold look. I should have known that I wouldn't really just do a simple look, but I'm gonna go in with my Kylie Cosmetics KoKo K. So first I'm gonna go in with the lip liner and outline my lips. And then go in with the liquid lipstick. So guys, that's it for today's review, and I hope you guys liked the little nice natural look that I gave you. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.